and for whatever reason that the universe charged me with the task of having to walk through some of these things, I nonetheless walked through it. And trust me, I was thinking about attorneys and everything else when I found out about these charges, because again, I was facing 5 years in prison had I been convicted. So let's go here. See this judge assignment history right here? There you go, people. Now, here is a list of the judges. I never had Judge Taylor, but here's a list of the judges that heard my case. And you see the 1, 2, 3 recusals. This judge actually heard it, and this judge recused himself without even fighting about it. He just said, hey, he's out of here. And there's a reason why he did that, and we'll find out. You all look at these names. You see Judge Wolf, you see Judge Nash, you see Judge Kaiser, and the presiding judge was a visiting judge named McGrady, and you see a judge by the name of Thomas Barber. Now, the judge who was on the witness list is Judge Gregory Holder, or was Judge Gregory Holder. So let's go back down here and try to find this case. And as you see, there's 187 docket entries for this case. That's a lot of docket entries. For anybody who's ever been through anything, you'll know that that's a hell of a lot of fighting. And this went on for 7 months, by the way, without me being able to get much of a legitimate or good discovery. I nonetheless managed to get through this case. But, you know, during the course of this case, there's a couple of legal terms, and we can get into this later, but you all can look them up, where they filed traverses and demurs in the case. So, and as you start to see some of these, I had exhibit lists, probably related to the house, but I had to create a exhibit list because I wanted to challenge all the judges who had something to do with any of the house cases, because it was important for me to figure out what is it that was going on that I must have pissed off this many people that you all essentially coalesced to come out and get me. I acquired the properties legitimately, but I guess that must have pissed some people off. Nonetheless, you can see everything that was filed here. And in fact, you can see right here, accuses himself, blind transfer. You see this? They did conduct a Ferretta hearing on me. That's actually, if you want it, you know, reach out to me, go online and get the Dropbox, support the channel. I'll probably just send it to you, and you can listen to how they conduct a Ferretta hearing. You're going to hear him mention, Judge Wolf mention a Ferretta hearing, and you'll also hear something very interesting said that I did not hear at the time that I was standing in front of them because of the distance from me to the judge. But the hot mic picked up something that was said about me that's definitely not true. And if I haven't said it before, I am a veteran of the United States Army. So let's go into another one of these pages. Let's see, we're on page 7. Yeah, come on. Let's see. Writ of prohibition. Yeah, that was against him. Okay, without counsel. Notice of hearing.